Oh wow! I've never seen anything like it. I feel like I can fly.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So you don't want to see what I'm wearing because I literally just dressed my top half and did my hair, and this makeup is from a video I just shot. So if you have not seen that yet and it's up already, I will link it. I don't know which side. I will link it up below, okay? Just check it out. I did a random number generator on a eye makeup challenge, so yes, does that even make sense? I don't know. By the way, what I'm wearing is horrific. I'm wearing such a cute top half, and then I have my slippers on and my khaki green shorts. And if you're wondering why this phone is here, it's because I figured out the flashlights make this light look so much better. I'm a weird human. I'm literally just holding my phone below the camera to use the flashlight because I don't have a ring light. I really need to invest in this. I say that every month. Do I do it? No, but I really need to get to it because just look at the difference. Look, this is without a flash. With the flash. This is such a weird intro. Okay, so let me just get to this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not seen this face yet, it means you need to subscribe to the channel and hit a little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I upload every Sunday, so get to it. I came across a website called Cheekitribe, and today we're going to review them. If you don't know what Cheekitribe is, basically I came across their website about a week ago, and what you do is you fill in a quiz that's like a personality / style quiz, and you get a category where you fall in like a profile kind of vibe. So I'm Whisper 4, so it is minimalistic, trendy, simplistic, kind of that style. And then you get different profiles. Let me quickly check for you guys what different style profiles is. I can't remember. There's 4 different profiles that has 2 subcategories on them. You get shout and whisper. I'm a whisper 4. So you get shout 1 to shout 4 and whisper 1 to whisper 4. And basically all of them have like their categories. So for example, the first style profile, shout 1, shout 2, is more like playful, bright, whatever kind of vibe. So you get that. And I came out to be a whisper 4, and can I just tell you, the quiz is accurate. It is so accurate. It's literally what my style is. I will also try and like screen grab or screenshot, I don't know what you call it, the pamphlet they sent me for Whisper 4, so you can actually see it does match your style very, very well. And then what you do is you pay a monthly subscription to them, and they send you a box with clothes in that fits your profile, but their service is great. I mean, I will recommend them to anyone. I haven't even opened my box yet, and I will already recommend them to anyone because, guys, their service are amazing. So you fill in this quiz and they call you and they explain everything to you, and you have different categories. So it's according to your budget. You can pick a category you want to buy, and then you give that let's say your box is, I think it ranges from 750 to 1,500 rand, and you get your money's worth in the box you choose. So you pay that subscription fee monthly, and then they call you and they chat with you. You fill in a whole profile of things, full length selfie, your preferences, what you don't like, your size, everything is full out on a profile, and they call you and they talk to you and they be like, do you like this? What do you prefer? And their service is really, really, really great. So they really go into what you like. So I'm very keen to see my box. But yeah, that's how it works. So I chose one of the boxes that's more on the cheaper side because, you know, I'm not rich. And there's also a student box. If you're a student and you're watching this, there's a student box, really affordable. So I would really say, just based on their service and the way they connect with you and the way they communicate with you, I would recommend them. They're absolutely great. But yeah, let's see what's in the box, try it on, then we'll actually have like a proper review session of them. Also, They send it so quick. I mean, I think it took like 5 business days that I received my box. So they're very quick in that way as well. And I also call you and tell you, no, like, there's certain time limits. Like, if the clothes don't fit, you can send it back. If you don't like it, you can send it back. They will exchange it for you, or they'll just roll it over to the next month and add that value to your next box. So it's not like you receive your box and you're stuck with it, okay? They really communicate with you. They're like your personal stylist. I mean, I'm happy. I'm really happy. So without further ado, let's actually go see what's in that box. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna like squat here because I don't have my little makeup chair and my tripod is broken, so it can't lift up higher, so I'm really uncomfortable. But this is the box we got. So it says, this Send My Style box is happy to see you too, and that's the website www.cheekitribe.com. I will link it down below, go check them out if you want to. And now we're gonna open it. We're gonna see if the quality is good, if it's worth your money. We already know the service is excellent, so this is the last step to review them, if it fits properly or whatever. I'm very excited, so without further ado, let's open this box. And I came across something. So on this side of the box is actually a Bible verse right there. It is 2 Corinthians 3 verse 18, and I'm actually going to read it because I don't know what it says. Actually, it says, "And we all who with unveiled faces contemplate the Lord's glory are being transformed into his image with ever-increasing glory, which comes from the Lord who is the Spirit." I like that. I did not know they actually put like a Bible verse on the box as well, and I think that is very cute and very suitable. So this is how the inside look. Oh wait, okay, that's cute. You have your little paper thingy and then the cute packaging. It is really, really cute. It's packaged very well. Okay, so let's first look at my pamphlet because I'm very, very keen. It says, "We believe in authentic styling. What you wear should be a representation of who you are." I couldn't agree more. Your name and your style profile gives us an indication of your identity and unique style. Therefore, it becomes the guideline for styling you authentically. I like it. Okay, name. They give you your name meaning. How cute is this? Okay, so obviously Stephanie. Okay, so the meaning of my name, the Greek origin, is crowned. I knew that. I googled that before. And it says, oh, they give another Bible verse. This one says, I'm sorry guys, I really don't know the Bible books in English, so I'll just show like what it is here. It's 1 Petrus 5 vers 4. I don't know the Bible books in English. That's probably bad, I don't know. But it says, "The bearer of the name represents the victory in the Lord Jesus. She will wear the crown of victory." How cute is this? I like this. This is so cute. I did not know this would come with it in the box. And I just give their Facebook page and their Insta and their website. Oh, and it says, "Receive extra credit for your next box when you refer a friend." You guys are my friends. I'm referring you, okay? This is actually so cute. Like, I like the idea that it gives a Bible verse and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up. Guys, okay, so I know Corona and everything. They packed a mask. How cute is this mask though? Like, honestly, this is super cute. I mean, that is really, really cute. And then inside the stripe, look at, oh wait, let me just, look at the inside. Okay, this is quite cute. Let's try it on. It's gonna become, you need to be fashionable, okay. I think I have like 3 masks now, but that's fine. Okay, so let's try this on. Wait, is there a certain way this goes? I don't know. So this is my mask. I can't get it on. Okay. The fit is amazing, okay. I don't feel like you can't hear me if I just talk through my mask. But this is my mask, okay. I can't believe they actually send a mask. That is super, super sweet. So this is the mask that we got. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna take out is, I'm gonna take this out. They send you a cookie. Look at it, guys. Sweet Dreams Cakery. Oh my word, it says Cheekitribe. They actually send you a cookie with like gold detailing here. That is cute. I'm gonna eat my biscuit later. That is super, super cute. Okay, so the first thing I got is this sweater. I think this is so cute. Immediately I think of a pair of pants I have, and this will look great with that. Even with this jacket, I mean, look. This is amazing. It has like a little stud detailing. It feels like great quality. Yeah, I like this. This is great. So we'll fit it now. I'm just gonna take everything out of the box. Then the next thing we have is the thing that's actually drawing my attention by a lot. It is, oh wow. It's a shirt. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? Wait, I'm gonna go move back so you guys can actually see this. How gorgeous is this shirt? It's this pinkish color. It's my favorite color. It has ruffles here. The sleeves, guys, look at them sleeves. It's poofy sleeves. I love this. Honestly, I think they did an amazing job of selecting clothes that actually suits my style on point. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna move you guys to the living room in front because I think the lighting in here is getting a bit too bad. Okay guys, I hope you can see this. This is the first piece I got with the little stud detailing. It looks like this on the back. It also has a sleeve feature, so it tightens around here and it just goes down. I think the quality of this is amazing. It is so comfortable. It is not snug fit, and I told them when they called me, I don't want anything like tight fittedly. I don't feel comfortable with everything that's just like so tight. And I think they really listened to me when I gave them the advice, and I really like grays these days. I don't know why. I just feel grey. So I think this fits perfectly. So for size, it is great. Also, I would probably wear this with a denim rather than with this pants because I feel like it dulls out quite a lot with a grey pants as well. But I put on an accent pink belt just to bring a bit of colour, and I think if you style it with a pink jacket or a blazer, if I only had like a full pink blazer, I think this would have looked so great, but one day. So I'm just going to start with this blazer, and I'm going to take a pink handbag, and I think, there you go, you literally look $1 million. I mean, not that I can see myself in the viewfinder right now because I'm blind, but this looks great. I really like this. It's so comfortable if you just want to throw on something and don't feel, you know, so constricted. This is great. Put on a pink heel and you are ready to go. Okay, so this is the other shirt I got. I must say, this is probably my favorite. I really like the poofy sleeves. I mean, isn't this just a shirt you want to take an Instagram photo in? I mean, honestly, I would do a photo shoot in this thing. It is so comfortable even. The only thing I probably have against this shirt is it's me being lazy. It will probably need ironing after a wash. I don't have an iron as of yet, so but that's me being lazy. It probably would just be good to have an iron if you want something like this, because it probably will get wrinkly when it's in the wash. It's that type of material. But honestly, this is so comfortable. I did struggle to get a zipper out because it had a zip in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it by myself, but that is literally such a minor issue. It's really comfortable. I'm enjoying the sleeves way too much, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Which item did you prefer? Obviously, you will get more items if you spend more on a bigger box. Maybe someday in the future I can also upgrade to a better box, but for now, this is what I am dealing with. So the value for my money, it is definitely there. The quality is definitely there. This style and the way this style suits me, it is definitely there. So I would recommend every one of you go check it out, try it for a month, see how it works for you. If it's gonna be better, hello. I think having like a puppy on your side, it's just gonna look so much cuter. What do you think? Hello. Okay, go. Anyways, I would recommend each and every one of you to go check them out. Just at least go do your style profile, see what I sent you. Just yeah. I think she wants to eat my handbag. Just try it for 1 month, see if you like it. Another good thing about them that I came across is you can do it like for 2 months, and then you can put your subscription on a hold. Then you can go again in the summer, maybe for summer items, just pay that again, and then, you know, just put your subscription on hold if you feel like you've got enough winter clothes now so you can move on to another stage of your life. But honestly, I think this is great. I can't wait to have an event to wear this to. I mean, guys, lockdown must end because the world needs to see this shirt. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. I feel like I can fly. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments which one you like, if you're going to join, etc, etc. Tell a friend about us, share this video so they can actually see what great thing Cheekitribe is, what great fashion sense they have, what great service they have. By the way, this video is not sponsored at all. Just throwing it in there. I literally have 56 subscribers. Why will anyone sponsor me? I'm just doing this because I received it and I was flipping excited about it. And I think the excitement paid off. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And then just remember, guys, drink coffee and be kind. I'll see you guys in my next video.